Hi children, how are you all? Hope you're all doing good. Right, very good. So today in this session we are going to discuss about what we had seen, that is what we had discussed about the chapter 3 in previous sessions, right? So what we discussed about the chapter 3, what is the topic of the chapter 3? Yes, that is the skeletal and muscular system. So what did we see about the skeleton? So it provides the framework and holds our body upright. And what are the functions of skeleton? It provides the support and it provides proper shape. It protects the internal organs. It allows us to move along with muscles, right? So what are the parts of skeleton available? The different parts are skull, ribs, sternum, vertebral column, shoulder blade, arm bones, pelvis and thigh bones, and lower leg bones. Okay, so we saw about skull. It has 22 bones. It protects the brain likewise. And ribs, it has 24 bones and it helps in the protection of lungs. Then sternum, it is a flat shaped dagger shaped bone present in the middle of the chest. Along with ribs, it will protect the lungs and heart. Then vertebral column, it consists of 33 series of bones, all are of different sizes and shapes. It protects the spinal cord. And shoulder blade, it connects collarbone and arm bone. It has a joint by which we can able to move our hand. Then arm bone, it is divided as three segments: upper arm, lower arm, and hand. Upper arm has a long single bone which is called humerus, and the lower arm has two bones which is radius and ulna, and the hand has 27 bones. Then pelvis and thigh bone. The thigh bone joined to the pelvis bone. Pelvis bone is bowl shaped. It helps in maintain our body balance on the knees. Lower leg bones, it starts from knee to the ankle part. It has two bones, that is tibia and fibula. And the feet part of our body has 26 bones altogether. And we saw about the types of bone: long bone, which is cylindrical, long in shape, and it is responsible for moving, doing actions, right? And the short bones, which is present in wrist and ankle part, it provides stability and support. Flat bones, they are flat flattened structure and protects the vital internal organs, and it provides the base for skin attachment. Irregular bones, they are all not in same size and shape. They are of different sizes and shape. The vertebrae in vertebral column is the example for these irregular bones, and it helps in the protection of spinal cord. Then we saw about joint: ball and socket joint, hinge joint, gliding joint, and pivot joint. Ball and socket joint, it helps to move in all directions. Pivot joint will present in the first two bones of the vertebral column so that we can twist our head on all the sides. Hinge joint, it present in elbow and knee part, which helps them to move in only one direction. Gliding joint, it will present in wrist and ankle part, which helps in the movement of two bones which glides over another bone, right? And ligaments, which it is the tissue in structure. It helps in the joint of knee parts. Two bones. Next we saw about muscular system. These are nothing but muscles of our body. More than 600 muscles present in our body. The muscles will be of in two sets. One is for contraction and another one is for relaxation. And the functions of the muscle might be, along with skeleton system, it provides support and movement for our body. It provides maintain our body position and posture, and it helps to regenerate. It helps to generate energy through some muscular activities, right? Likewise, one muscle is for contraction and another one muscle is for relaxation. The different types of muscles available are voluntary muscles, involuntary muscles, and cardiac muscles. Voluntary muscles, which helps us to do actions of our own with our consciousness. Okay, with our will we do our voluntary actions. Likewise, involuntary muscles helps in involuntary actions, that is those actions that performs without a consciousness. Right? Cardiac muscles, these muscles present around the heart which works for 24 hours. They are called, they stretch like both smooth and skeletal muscles. The involuntary muscles is termed as The involuntary muscles is termed as smooth muscles. The voluntary muscles is termed as skeletal muscles. Likewise, the cardiac muscles perform the functions of both smooth and skeletal muscles. Right. So these are the topics we covered under this chapter, that is the skeletal and the muscular system. So for the next session we are going to start a new chapter. Before that, in your workbook of this chapter, complete all the questions which I had posted the answer for each and every question in Google Classroom app. Just make a note of it and finish all the answers, all the questions. Right. So for your today's session, I assigned an I teach activity. Teach your parents about the parts of skeleton. Right. You have to teach your parents about the parts of skeletons, that is the 8 parts: skull, ribs, sternum, those 8 parts. You have to teach your parents about those 8 parts, and you have to record their responses, how they listen your class and what are the questions you are asking them and how they are responding to your questions. Likewise, you have to record their response and upload the particular thing in Google Classroom app. I had created a link for that session. So record your class and upload your class in the particular link. Okay, so we can see in the next session. Till then, stay connected, stay safe. Bye.